Yeah.
Are they going home?
But the wife just got. I think they're going home.
Yeah.
I gotta get one of those.
They make so much easier. Dude. We were on a fucker we didn't like.
Yeah.
We had to. Hey, you were up there. We're like, everybody started pointing.
Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it.
It was a lot of fun.
I have a blinker on. They told me to turn it off.
Yeah. You're like, what?
I trusted y'all. You said go that way, so I was like, okay, I'll go this way.
Cody said we're douchebag friends. We're fucking, it was fun.
For y'all.
You almost made the light before us.
Yeah.
I ran the red light.
Oh, you did run it?
Yeah, I ran the red light. I just ran it. I said, fuck it. I don't care. I ran it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're sorry.
No,
I thought that's what you said. I
that's
figured
what you
that.
thought I said?
All right. Turkey! Oh shit! Oh, dude, he almost hit.
Deeply sorry. Sorry.
Dude, he almost hit Charlie. Holy shit! That bird was close. Holy shit! That was fucking close. Oh. That was close. Yeah, that dust and everything else fly up.